Hello, my name is Camille Campbell. I'm creating a reverse engineering visualization for Business 410 in reference to Berlin Airbnb ratings from data source inside Airbnb. What is reverse engineering, you may ask? Reverse engineering is a process of extracting knowledge or design information from anything man-made and reproducing it or reproducing anything based on the extracted information. Wikipedia. I have chosen the data from Makeover Monday, which offers data sets on different visualizations from information gathered from different data sources. Let me explain a little bit about the process of forward engineering and reverse engineering. In the process of forward engineering, you must first A, use a requirement, B, design, and C, implementation. For reverse engineering, A is implementation, B is design, and C is requirement. Let's begin. This is Makeover Monday. My topic of interest is Berlin Airbnb ratings. Let's take a look at the visualizations. As you can see, I'm clicking on Airbnb ratings. These are the visualizations coming up. We're showing Berlin Airbnb visualizations and the effects that it has on the neighborhoods within Berlin. These are the room types, the activity, the availability, and listing per host. Now let's head to Tableau to download the information. As you can see, next we go into Tableau to download the data into our system. As you see, the data has already been downloaded into the system. We will now show the different visualizations that was created to show Berlin's Airbnb market of ratings based upon the data source from the information downloaded. This is the first visualization. Normally, when creating something in Tableau, you start off with a requirement that leads us to a specific design and ultimately the final implementation. But with reverse engineering, we will start with the final implementation and seek to understand how it was designed and what are the requirements and are we able to replicate the same similar or in a different use. What I have chosen here is the year and date, the accommodations, the minimum nights stayed, the price, and the square footage. You can see the peaks, the lows on the visualization. If we were to take away the year, the visualizations will be different. But we're going to put the year back. I'm going to put the year back. It takes a little while, but it's going to show. It shows the visualizations stay the same. This is the review of the date, the host, and the overall ratings of sum and square footage. This shows the year and date and sum and reviews. This shows the measures names and the minimum nights stayed and the year host. This is the dashboard of sheet 1 and 2. This is the end of my visualizations.